to the discretion of the court of how he wants to move forward. Because I'm not sure if he wanted, I think he wants a bench trial, but we've been talking about the video, so.
Yeah, he's not out. Miss Asmar, can you go get Mr. Daraji?
I gave him the instructions to get back to the courtroom, and he disappeared. I don't know where did he go before I came back to the courtroom.
I went in there. No one was in the room.
Oh, he wasn't out? Oh, well, here, we'll just wait. Here, you want to do,
I'm ready on just about everybody, whoever you want to call.
who are you ready on? We can do
I'm ready on everybody. Just you can start. We have a review on this Colette DJAK.
Probation Officer Bumpus needs to come back.
Okay, we can call DeAndre Das.
Okay. All right, I'm bringing them out, but he's coming out. So here he is.
Yeah, I think you could basically bring everybody out, and the only one I'm not handling is Russian, and put him back in.
Okay, so close the room. Mr. Das, DeAndre Das, turn on your video. Turn on your video, Mr. Das. And remove your hat. You in court. Everyone remain in the video and quiet until your name is called. And everyone turn on your video, remain in the video.
She's got a 21 to 25 mile old.
Everyone turn on their video, remain in the camera and seated. Davis. Ms. Davis, turn on your video. Delagrand, turn on your video and remain in the camera.
Yeah, it's on.
Okay, and I'm gonna mute you. Unmute your device only when your name is called. Unmute your device, tap your device, tap the microphone when your name is called. Mr. Duncan, you have to remain in the camera. Mr.
I can hear you.
Mr. Daraji, turn on your video.
Yes, ma'am.
And you gotta turn off one of your devices, Mr. Daraji. You gotta turn off the telephone.
He needs an interpreter tone.
لازم تسد التليفون مالتك وتطلع على الصورة مالتك. Here he comes.
Okay. Okay, 36 District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's absolutely no walking around, talking, reading, eating, smoking, driving, drinking. And you must stay until the camera. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your court and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the People versus Ali Daraji, ticket number SP 1374303, count 1, illegal dumping. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Ms. Asmar.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sarah Asmar, Michigan Court Qualified Arabic Interpreter.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to interpret English to Arabic and Arabic to English to the best of your ability?
I do.
All right, can you interpret calling the case, please?
Yes. المحكمة تنادي بالقضية المرقمة SP 1374331. التهمة هي إلقاء نفايات في الأماكن الغير المخصصة إلها، وهذه هي التهمة الأولى.
It's Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record, sir.
اسمي المحامي آلين ساروكي. أنا أمثل مدعي عليه. سيد دراجي اذكر اسمك، افتح السماعة.
Yes, ma'am.
اذكر اسمك.
علي عباس خضير الدراجي أم حليمة مجيد من العراق من بغداد.
علي عباس خدير الدراجي. My mom is from Baghdad.
Your Honor, defendant wishes to accept the offer of a 12-month delayed sentence to the charge of illegal dumping.
حضرة القاضي، موكلي يقبل العرض المقدم إليه وهو الحكم المؤجل ل 12 شهر على التهمة هو رمي النفايات في الأماكن الغير المخصصة إلها.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Daraji.
سيد دراجي ارفع يدك اليمين.
Your other hand.
اليمنى.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
هل تقسم بأن تقول الحق وليس إلا كلمة الحق؟
نعم أقسم.
Yes.
You put your hand down. You had an
نزل إيدك.
opportunity. I'm sorry. You had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights.
أنت صارت عندك الفرصة وأن تكلمت ويا المحامي مالتك بخصوص التهمة الموجهة إلك، صحيح؟
أنا ما مخلي هذا المحامي مالتي هذا.
Is this my representative? I did not retain him.
Did you speak to Mr. Saroki, the lawyer?
أنت حكيت ويا المحامي السيد ساروكي؟
لا أنا ما حاكي وياه. أنا ما حاكي وياه.
I haven't talked to him. Your Honor, I was in the breakout room and Mr. Saroki spoke with the defendant in detail.
I know, I'm sure he did. I mean, he had to speak through you.
Yeah.
Gosh. Mr. Daraji, did the attorney, Mr. Saroki with the bald head, did you speak with him through the interpreter about your case and your rights?
بدم المسيح أول مرة شفته.
That was the first time I met him. I was سيد الدراجي في غرفة المداولات أنت حكيت ويا المحامي اللي هو السيد صاروكي اللي دا تشوفه هسه بالصورة عنده صلعة بخصوص التهمة الموجهة إلك، نعم أم لا؟
اي نعم قبل دقائق الغرفة.
Yes, few minutes ago at the breakout room.
Yes ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
أي أحد أي جهة هددوك جبروك وعدوك بأي شيء لأنه أنت تقول مذنب في هذه التهمة؟
لا هو أنا مذنب لأن أنا نزلتني من السيارة الأكياس وخليتني.
No, I am guilty. I dumped stuff.
You're pleading of your own free will?
أنت تقول مذنب بقناعتك؟
مليار بالمية.
100%.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
أنت تقول إنك مذنب لأنه فعلا أنت مذنب؟
مذنب ابن مذنب.
I am guilty and a son of a guilty.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
تعرف إنه أنت لما تقول إنك مذنب معناها راح تسقط حقوقك بالمطالبة بمحاكمة بالمستقبل؟
لا مذنب أنا ابن مذنب.
I am guilty, a son of a guilty man.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
أنت معنى هذا أنه موافق تتنازل عن حقوقك بالمطالبة بمحاكمة في المستقبل وده تقول أنه أنت مذنب، صح؟
نعم أنا ما عندي حقوق لأن بالأصل مذنب.
Yes, I don't have rights. I am guilty.
So I'm gonna direct your attention to June 18, 2022 at 11:50 a.m.
Yes.
أنا أريد راح أوجه عنايتك هسه تركيزك إلى تاريخ 18/6/2022 الساعة 11:50. Yes.
On that date and time, were you at or near Majestic and Rutland in the city of Detroit?
في ذلك الوقت كنت في ماجستيك في مدينة ديترويت.
Yes.
Yes.
And did you engage in illegal dumping?
وسويت أنت رمي نفايات في أماكن الغير المخصصة لها؟
Yes.
Yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Soroki?
Yes, Your Honor.
سيد ساروكي أنت راضي على هذا الشيء؟ نعم حضرة القاضي.
And the court is also satisfied with the factual basis, will accept the admission and will proceed to sentencing.
المحكمة أيضا راضية وشافت أنه الوقائع حقيقية. راح نشوف موضوع الحكم.
إن شاء الله.
Okay, so there's a $200 fine. You can't get, and you can't get any more tickets. So when you come back on your next date,
غرامة $200 ما يصير تاخذ أي مخالفة أخرى وتظهر بالتاريخ اللي راح نعطي لك إياه.
your next date is February 21st, 2024 at 8:35.
لازم تظهر بهذا التاريخ 21/2/2024 الساعة 8:35.
حاضر.
Yes.
Pay the fine, don't get any more tickets. This will be dismissed off your record.
ادفع الغرامة، لا تسوي أي مخالفة أخرى، وبالوقت اللي راح نظهر به بالمحاكمة القادمة تسقط القضية.
سؤال.
I have a question.
Sure.
أني شرجوني $910 تقريبا و$30.
I paid approximately $930.
Yeah, I don't know. This is the fine for the misdemeanor. So I don't know if that was something else for the city of Detroit, but this is the fine that you have to pay for this charge to get it dismissed off your record.
المبلغ اللي انطيت لك اياه $200 هذا تكاليف هنا غرامات المحكمة. ما اعرف المبلغ اللي انت دفعته يخص شنو.
عندي رصيد دفعته هو مال الشارج. هاي عندي، هاي مال كورت سيد القاضي.
That I paid to the court the amount.
Well, if it was a bond or anything, then they will take the 200 off the bond and you'll get that back. But otherwise, that's the fine that I'm imposing.
المبلغ اللي دفعته قد يكون مبلغ كفالة. الغرامة اللي أنا هسه قلتها $200 ممكن يكون جزء من هذا الشيء، بس خلي ببالك هسه أنا كمحكمة صدرت أمر بدفع غرامة $200.
حاضر صار.
I'm ready.
I'm sorry, what was that?
Yes, I accept it.
Okay. All right, so you're all set, sir, unless you had any other questions. Good luck to you.
إذا رفعت الجلسة إذا ما عندك المزيد من الأسئلة. أتمنى لك يوم موفق.
يمتى أدفع؟ شكرا لك سيد القاضي وربي يبارككم جميعا وشكرا للترانسليتر. God bless you, everybody.
Thank you for the court. Thank you for the translator. But by when I have to pay this amount?
By February 21st at 8:35, which is your next court date. So before you come to court, it has to be paid.
قبل ما نجي للمحكمة القادمة لازم هذا المبلغ يكون مدفوع.
حاضر.
fine with me.
Great. All right. Good luck to you, sir.
Okay, I need to make I need to make an announcement. Everyone that has their video turned off, turn it on, because I'm gonna start removing you and putting you back in the waiting room. You will go last. Everyone must be in the video. Everyone stop walking around.
Mr. Dixon needs to put on a shirt.
Mr. Dixon, you have to put on the shirt.
And Ms. Davis Meisen needs to take off the scarf.
Thought I explained all that earlier, but I didn't. Ms. Davis, you got to remove the garment from your head.
Mr. Daraji, you're done. You're free to go. And you have to
Thank you
pay
so
the,
much.
should pay the money at the court, or you can pay it on your online on the computer.
Ms. Davis, Sahara Davis,
Yes.
you have to remove your garment from your head.
Sorry, it's for religion purposes.
Well, okay, I'm gonna put you back in a waiting room until the judge is ready to deal with your matter.
Okay, shot mute.
You will go last.
All right, this is the people versus Lucas Drysdale, ticket number SP 1201644, count 2, failed to display valid operator's license on a person. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Yes. Alan Soroki, P374441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
You're muted, unmute yourself.
Lucas Drysdale.
Your Honor, I did not get an offer on this file. Actually, Mr. Drysdale is trying to get his driver's license at this time. And
He does have a valid, there's no offer, it's failed to display. So
Right.
does he have a valid driver's license?
no, not right now, Your Honor.
So does he want
Mr.
to take the fail to display, or what does he want to do?
Mr. Drysdale, you want to take a no-point ticket to a failure to display?
Or you can set up a
I was
trial?
really hoping to try to get it bumped down from the misdemeanor, Your Honor. Because I know it was a long time ago, but I've
Mr.
been trying to.
Mr. Drysdale, the offer, the prosecutor's likely to not offer anything because it's already a failed to display. You can either set this for trial or set it for a pretrial.
Mr. Drysdale, I recommend you set it for a pretrial. In the meantime, go to the Secretary of State and try to get your driver's license, come back with your driver's license, and it should be dismissed.
All right, I'll go ahead and set for a pretrial.
Good idea. Also, not having an extra failure to display on your record will get your license back quicker for you.
We'll set it for March 8th at 8:35. That's your next date, March 8th at 8:35 for a pretrial.
Okay,
You're all set, sir.
thanks.
Miss Jackanow is not coming out. Mr. Soroki, she's reviewed. She was supposed, the probation officer Bumpus is here in the courtroom. She was supposed to be in person, so I'm not sure what's going on, why she is not here, but we'll try to bring her out. In the meantime, we'll keep going. This is the people versus DeAndre Days. Ticket number 213-98148, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Alan Soroki, P374441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, Ms. Days, or Mr. Days, I'm sorry. You need to unmute, sir.
DeAndre Days, sorry about that.
Yes, Your Honor, defense moves to dismiss at this time. Mr. Days have valid, insurance. He showed it to me.
You stipulate probable cause.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. This is the People versus Jason Dixon, ticket number SP 1380292, one insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Alan Sroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Jason Dixon.
Yes, Your Honor, defendant did show me valid insurance. I asked the court to dismiss it.
Hold on, stop. Mr. Diaz, could you, let me remove him because I'm not getting it. Hold on. Okay, Mr. Soroki, you can continue.
Yes, Your Honor, as to Mr. Dixon, I've seen his insurance certificate. I asked the court to dismiss at this time.
You stipulate the probable cause.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Dixon. Good luck to you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
All right, this is the people. What were you doing with Alex Delbrand? Were you ready on that one?
No, I haven't spoke to Alex Delgrand.
Okay. This is the People versus Ivan Roy, ticket number U62024421, count one, narcotic and drug related violations. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Ivan John Roy.
Yes, Your Honor. Today's the date and time for a review of a 3-month delayed sentence. We'd ask to have this matter dismissed based upon compliance.
Yes, he complied with the plea under advisement. So you are moving to dismiss this matter with prejudice.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, it's dismissed with prejudice. You're all set. Mr. Roy, good luck to you, sir.
Thank you. Should I have even gotten a warrant then?
What do you mean?
No, you should have gotten a warrant. The problem, what I said about the drug testing it, that would be something that would come up at trial.
So I should have gotten the warrant.
Yeah, you got the ticket. The ticket was proper. It's just, there was nothing wrong with the ticket.
Yeah, this is an arraignment on the bench warrant. You missed the date.
Another warrant. Okay. We moved to set aside bench warrant at this time, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
All right. Yeah, I don't know why. You probably didn't come back. You were supposed to come back.
Oh.
You paid the fine, but you were supposed to come back.
Okay. All right.
So the court will set aside the bench warrant and you come back. You're all set.
I'm all set. All right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. This is the People versus it's Juan Raymore, ticket number S227444016, count one, no operator's license on person, and ticket number U62051221, loitering on public private property, trespassing. Good morning, say your name to the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is, I'm sorry.
Go ahead.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Don Juan Raymore.
Yes, Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Raymore, the prosecutor offered to dismiss your loitering charge and plead to reduce charge of failure to display on the no operator's license, which is a no point ticket. Do you want to take that offer, sir?
Yes, I do, sir.
Okay.
Raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do, Your Honor.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Soroki about your case and your rights.
I have, Your Honor.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Pleading of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, I am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
I do.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, I do.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of May 7, 2022 at 9:45 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Winthrop and Adams Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes, I was, Your Honor.
Were you driving a 2020 Dodge vehicle?
Yes, I was.
And did you not have your operator's license on your person?
I did not have them on my person, Your Honor.
You're satisfied, Mr. Soroki?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court's also satisfied with the factual basis. We'll amend the count to fail to display. You stipulate the proper cause as to the U ticket to dismiss that without prejudice.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, it's dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine. Can you have that fine paid by March 27th?
Can I get 2 weeks outside of that, Your Honor, please?
April 26th?
That'll work for me.
Any questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you're all set. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you. I appreciate you.
Thank you, sir. Dale Brand will be blockading.
Mr. Delgrand, did you hear that? You need to unmute, sir. You need to unmute, Mr. Delgrand. Mr.
Look on the bottom
Delgrand, can you?
left-hand corner. Do not unmute. Look on the bottom left-hand corner. There you
All
go.
right.
Okay.
Mr. Delgrand, blockading is basically a parking ticket. It doesn't go on your record. So if you want to take that offer, we can move forward.
Can you repeat that for me, please?
It's no points, and it doesn't even go on your driving record.
Oh, wait a minute. His is set for trial, and
Okay.
there is no officer.
Okay,
So-
we move to dismiss at this time, Your Honor.
Sorry about that. All right, let me call it. This is the people versus Alex Delgrand, ticket number X4047035, count 1, failed to yield right of way. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
My name is Alex Delgrand.
Yes. Your Honor, we move to dismiss at this time as the police officer has not appeared for trial.
All right, it's dismissed as the officers failed to appear. You're all set, Mr. Delgrand. Good luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you so much.
Corporal McCree, Laquan Riley did not appear. Will K be exempt? You are all set.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. All right. This is people versus James Roback, ticket number U634042122, count 1, disorderly conduct. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Alan
James
Soroki,
Roback.
Alan Soroki, P374. Any daytime set for trial. I don't see a name of a police officer on the docket sheet. And I don't know if the police officer is checked in. If not, we move to dismiss.
This matter is dismissed without prejudice as the officers failed to appear. You're all set, Mr. Roback. Back to you.
Thank you.
All right, this is the people versus Shaquita Ruff, ticket number SP10878825, count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Alan,
Oh, I'm sorry.
go ahead, that's fine.
Shaquita Ruff.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. Let me look at this. I think no officers up for trial. We move to dismiss.
Okay.
Without prejudice as the officers failed to appear. You're all set, Ms. Ruff.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Ma'am, I'll warn you not to have open alcohol in your car again.
I don't drink. That was,
Okay.
I was the,
Don't let anybody have any open alcohol.
oh,
in your
I
car.
learned my lesson now.
Okay, I'm just giving you some
No,
advice.
I learned my lesson, but I don't drink, and I learned a big lesson from this. Like, you don't even understand. Like, this was
Right.
like
Because that'll cause your insurance to jump to get
Mr. Delgrand, you're done.
I'm done. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Y'all have a good day.
This is, let's do this one, Mr. Soroki, this person's not
Yes.
here, but the officer wants to dismiss. This is the people versus Egypt, Davis Witcher, ticket number SP1143390, count 1, driver's license never acquired. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Alan Sroki, P37441, appearing at the defendant, Your Honor.
Waive her appearance.
We move to dismiss at this time, per the motion.
You stipulate the proper cause.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. This is the people versus Sahara Davis Mizan, ticket number SP 770929, count 1, failed to display valid operator's license by a person, and ticket number 173-00673, count 1, no operator's license on person. Good morning, please take your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Sroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, ma'am?
Sahara Davis Mizan.
Your Honor, I've seen the defendant's insurance, and she showed me a driver's license, which appears to be valid. I'd move to dismiss at this time.
Of course.
All right, you know what, is there another? Hold on one moment. You know what, there's also a count 2 on ticket number 173-00673. Count 2 is no insurance misdemeanor. And you stated that you've seen her driver's license and you've seen her insurance. You stipulate the probable cause.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so these matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Welcome. Well, we got one more, Ms. Jack and Alice here. Versus William Robinson. Number SP 1296102, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, and ticket number SP 1296104, count 1, driver license suspended. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Alan Sroki, P37441, appear on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir? You need to unmute.
William Robinson.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Robinson showed me his license and his insurance. Also, I don't think the police officer showed up for trial today. We move to dismiss.
The officer did check in.
Okay.
It was a report. She did check in. His license, oh, it is valid. All right. You stipulate the probable cause?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice. As Mr. Robinson has provided valid documentation, you are all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Ms. Jackanow, why are you on Zoom when you were supposed to be in person?
Well, I got the card right here that said to show up to Zoom. That confused me. So I didn't know what to do.
So did you call Officer Bumpus to ask her what to do?
No, I did not.
Why not?
Because I was going by this paper right here sent by your court.
What did the court tell you? The court told you to be here in person.
It tells me to be here.
No, I'm saying, no, I'm asking you, when you and I spoke the last time, what did I tell you?
To be in court, in person. I would have been there had I not gotten this. Should I have gotten another one of these from your court stating that I should be in court instead of Zoom?
I mean, I think we're kind of.
I didn't know what way to go.
Well, you should have gone by what the judge told you.
Yeah. Okay. You're right. But this confused me. I'm sorry.
So I haven't called the case yet. Let me, here, I'll call it. This is the people versus Colette Jackanow, ticket number Z808034-1, count 1, operating while visibly impaired. We're here for a probation review. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with probation officer Bumpus.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Lori Bumpus on behalf of the Probation Department.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your written name for the record, ma'am.
Colette Diacono.
So I think we need to adjourn this for Ms. DeJacquinot to be president of court. Is that what you would prefer, Officer Bumpus?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so.
We would recommend either tomorrow or Friday.
Well, Friday I see the surgeon again. I mean, the surgeon.
So then let's come in tomorrow,
Okay, what time?
at 8:35.
Okay, I'll be there.
Okay, so we'll see you tomorrow at
Thank you.
8:35.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you, Your Honor.
thank you.
And Your Honor, I'll have her transfer today.
Okay, Your Honor, I'm gonna bring in, because I put him in the waiting room. Oh, he's gone because he was driving and had on his hat, and I removed him, but Duncan, so he might come back. Okay, Mr. Soroki, I'm letting in Dorka because they just came in. Somebody, I need to make me post. I don't have access. Let me see. Oh, I got it. Okay, can I have your full name, please, and get into the camera? Can I have your full name?
Nicholas Joe Durka.
Okay.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Dorka, do you need an interpreter?
No, sir.
Okay.
Well, he just got here like probably 25 minutes ago when we were in session, and I'm just now bringing him in.
His only ticket I see is license improper.
Correct.
And that should be a FTD. Are you, Ms. Dorka, FTD is a no point ticket. Are you interested in, do you have a driver's license, valid driver's license right now, sir?
Not at the moment, sir.
Okay. Are you interested in taking a failure display with no point ticket so you can go to the Secretary of State and get your driver's license?
Yes, sir. I appreciate that.
Very good.
All right, this is the people versus Nicholas Durka, ticket number SP 1390925. Count one. Drove while license not valid or improper license. And he also has a case that's in warrant status. And that could be dismissed. Ticket number 192767101. No operator's license on person. Good morning. Please say your name to the record.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Nicholas Durka.
Your Honor, we ask you to have that warrant set aside, and Mr. Durka wishes to accept the offer of plea to one failure display and dismiss the other ticket.
Okay. All right, the court will set aside the warrant. Raise your right hand, Mr. Durka. Do you swear or affirm to the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, you put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Soroki, the attorney, about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes, ma'am.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial,
I do, Your Honor.
and knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of September 18, 2022 at 10:20 a.m. On that date time, were you at near 7 Mile and Shaner in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you driving a 2008 Dodge vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And were you driving while your license was not valid or improper?
That is correct, ma'am.
Are you satisfied, Mr. Soroki?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court is also satisfied. Will amend that count to fail to display. You stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining ticket to be dismissed without prejudice.
Yes, Your Honor.
It's dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There is going to be a $200 fine. Can you have that fine paid by March 27th?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, any questions?
No, ma'am.
So you're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you so much. You have a good day.
You too, sir. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
So I got an offer for Ingrid Rice. Her offer is she pleads to fail to display a 3-month delayed sentence on the disorderly conduct and then a limited access of 1 to 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, 1, 2, 4, 5. 8 tickets would be dismissed.
Okay, so that was an FTD, a disorderly delayed sentence for 3 months, disorderly conduct, limited access 1 to 5 on the 21 to 25 mile an hour speeding. Was there a 4th one? Or just three, please?
Oh, wait a minute. There must be, hold on. Yeah, that's it. She pleaded 3 tickets.
Right. Is she in the courtroom or the breakout? Maybe she's in a breakout room, right?
She's in the breakout room.
Okay, I can go talk to her.
She's in room number 14.
I'll go talk to her, and I don't see anyone else in the courtroom right now.
I don't know what happened to Jahan Duncan.
What happened, he was driving, looked like a big wheeler, and he got on the hat, so I put him in the waiting room, and then he left. So
If he show up.
Okay. I don't see an officer on it.
If you show up, he need to just adjourn it anyway. He need to take a driver's improvement course.
Okay. All right, I'll go to the breakout room. And I'm sorry, which room did you say Ms. Rice is in?
Oh, no, Jahan Duncan, if his is, let's just do Jahan Duncan because his is separate trial. He's been here, but the officer didn't appear. So you just want to call it?
Yes, that's fine.
Okay, this is the people versus Jahan Duncan at ticket number SP 1276529, count 1, speeding 31 plus miles over posted speed. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Alan Sroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. We ask the court to hear this matter in absence of the defendant.
All right, he did check in. He's checked in several times, and I don't know. I think he just maybe had a bad connection. But the officers failed to appear. Do you have a motion, Mr. Soroki?
Yes, defense moves to dismiss at this time.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. He is all set.
Thank you.